What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. I know we have seen a lot of colorways of this model this year, the Nike Dunk Low. But in this video, I will be talking about a pair of Nike Dunks which I think might just be one of the best, if not the best pair of Dunks to drop this year. I will be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low Lemon Drop. So what's good, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be breaking down this shoe. We'll talk about this really dope colorway and all of these subtle features of this really dope pair of Dunks. I'll talk about the quality of this shoe, and of course, we'll talk about resale predictions as well for those of you interested. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Before we get into these Dunks though, I just want to quickly remind you guys of my shop, Elevate Laces, the place for all of your lacing needs, whether it be high top sneakers, low top sneakers, I got you covered. We do ship worldwide. It's been really dope to see some of you guys order these laces, throw them on your shoes. Thank you for tagging me on Instagram. I will leave a link to it in the description. As always, make sure you guys check it out. Elevate Laces for all of your lacing needs. So let's get into the sneaker, the Nike Dunk Low Lemon Drop. Here is your first look at it. As you can see, a very unique pair of Dunks, a lot of different design elements on the shoe as well. And I definitely think it is a very, very dope colorway. This sneaker released in Europe on May the 20th, and we don't know so far what will be the release date in North America. I'm sure it will drop at some point. Over the last year, Europe has really been blessed with a lot of early releases. And most of you guys watching my videos are from North America and the US, so this is great for you guys. You got your boy over in Europe grabbing all these early releases, giving you these early reviews, so you can make a better decision or not whether you want to cop a certain pair of sneakers. This one right here, I bet at the end of this video, you guys are going to want to cop them. Major shout out to the shop where I was actually able to cop these sneakers from, that is 43einhalb. They also sent over this really dope lemon planting kit. It came with a little pot, also some soil specifically for growing lemons, and of course a actual lemon. I thought that was really, really dope. So shout out to 43einhalb for the hookup. I'm definitely gonna try to grow some lemons by the end of the summer. So let us get into the shoe. This entire colorway, all the different features, of course, inspired by lemons. The color blocking itself is kind of like this dull yellow color, or it kind of reminds me of the color of lemonade. And then you also have these white panels color blocking against it. You also got a white midsole as well as this nice translucent gum outsole, which I think complements the rest of the shoe really well. While I do think this is a super nice colorway, my favorite part about the shoe is just how far Nike took it with the whole lemon theme. You got the swoosh, which looks and also feels like the outside of a lemon. It almost looks like they made the swoosh out of lemon skin. You also have this little image of a lemon which is stitched into the back panel of the sneaker. You also, on the tongue of the sneaker, you see this white netting, which to me looks like those bags that come with the lemons when you buy it from a supermarket or grocery store. What's also super interesting is this inner lining. I know it just kind of looks like some white lining, but if you actually touch it, it feels exactly like the inside of a lemon peel. Like basically slice off a lemon and feel that white part on the inside. That is exactly what this feels like. The sneaker also comes with these nice pale yellow laces, which matches the rest of the upper. It's really interesting to see Nike put this level of detail on a regular Nike Dunk release. You normally see this on an SB release. On SB releases, they'll take a theme and they'll go absolutely crazy with it. You don't normally see that on a regular Dunk, and I'm pretty happy for it because I definitely prefer these regular Dunks over the SB Dunks. The quality of the sneaker also pretty good. You can see the white leather. You can see the type of leather used here is quite nice. It's pretty tumbled. However, I will say it's not exactly good tumbled leather. It's a type of leather that's made to look tumbled, but it doesn't exactly feel like nice leather. It's made to look nice though. My pair also has some glue stains, and it does have a bit of discoloration around it. So I would say overall, when it comes to quality, maybe not the best quality Dunk we've seen this year. Getting into sizing. So this was unfortunately a women's only release. So the highest it went up to in sizing is a men's 10.5 or a woman's 12. You guys know I wear a US 11, so they didn't even make these in my size. I got these in my girlfriend's size, and yes, she will be doing the on feet for you guys later. Which is too bad because I really like this shoe, and not only do I like the shoe, I love lemons. For the last 5 years of my life, the very first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I have a tall glass of lemon water. It's a good way to start your day, it really gets your metabolism going. So I love lemons, maybe my favorite fruit, so I really kind of wanted this shoe in the collection. They didn't make them in my size. But getting into resale, let's look at prices right now. The Dunk hype has definitely died down a little bit. That is why I think the prices on this pair right now are not as high, especially when you compare it to some other recently released pairs of Dunks that were kind of limited, such as the medium Curries. This pair is going for a lot less. However, in my opinion, I definitely think because of how limited these shoes were, and also because we are heading into the summertime now and this is just a perfect pair for the summer, I do think the prices on these are definitely going to go up. When those medium Curries first dropped, the prices were kind of going in the high 200s to low 300s, and now those prices just a few months later are way higher than that. I do see a similar pattern happening with this shoe, but of course those are just my predictions. I don't know for sure. For those of you in Europe, I think the prices right now are very, very reasonable for this shoe. If you like Dunks, if you like Dunks that kind of stand out from all of the other Dunks we've seen this year, this is a really, really good option, and it's going for a pretty reasonable price. The quality on this is definitely way better than all of those GR Dunks we've seen so far this year. And if you look at the prices right now, the prices are pretty much the same on these like those GR Dunks. So I definitely think these are a bargain right now if you are in Europe. All right, let's wrap this thing up. What do I think of the Nike Dunk Low in the Lemon Drop colorway? So in terms of quality, yes, I do think this pair, the medium Curry, was the best quality release we've seen on any Dunk Low this year, and it's arguably a better colorway. But I gotta say, I really like this lemon theme on this pair, and the colorway is very, very clean, a perfect colorway for the upcoming months. I really like the lemon swoosh as well, and I do think these gum bottoms really bring the whole shoe together. So these actually might just be my favorite Dunk Lows to drop this year. And at current prices right now, I definitely think these are a steal. So the Nike Dunk Low in the Lemon Drop colorway, these are a cop. As always, make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already done so. The road to 50K, I am getting closer and closer. And as always, follow your boy on Instagram. I respond to all of my DMs. And that is literally my favorite thing about this whole sneaker YouTube game. That is just interacting with you guys and talking about sneakers on Instagram. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys once again for messing with the channel and supporting my content. I'll see you next time. Peace.